going to show you a cheap, simple way to put some ballast weights on your compact tractor. Obviously, any attachment on the back is going to be a good ballast weight. However, if you can attach something like this block, which is about 60 pounds, on top of that, plus what you can attach within the differences here in between your 3-point hitch, which I plan on making actually a box that I could stand them straight up and add more, hopefully, in between, so it doesn't interfere with the lift still. I used some actually 235-pound weights. I screwed in through the hitch there, and then just put a screw through with something to pinch it on top, which is just a piece of metal, and added another 70 pounds there. So all in all, probably got about 250 pounds with the box blade, and it makes a big difference. I like this idea where I can remove it, because just in case I don't need all this weight, whether it be for transportation or just not wanting to dig ruts in, I can remove those and be back down to a lighter weight. However, most cases the ballast is just gonna help tenfold, especially on hill. So that's just a cheap, simple way. Just use some stuff you have laying around the house and find a way to attach it. I just put it in the angle iron, put a couple pieces of wood on each side, just 3/4 inch head laying around. It'll rot eventually, but keep it centered and it'll work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.